To enhance your gaming experience in The Sims 4, adjusting the graphics settings can significantly improve visual quality. Follow these steps to increase the graphics settings in the game. Step 1. Launch The Sims 4. Open The Sims 4 on your computer. Wait for the game to load to the main menu where you can access the settings. Step 2. Access game options. From the main menu, click on the Options button. This will take you to the game settings where you can adjust various preferences. Step 3. Navigate to graphics settings. In the Options menu, find and select the Graphics tab. This section contains all the settings related to visual quality and performance. Step 4. Adjust graphics quality. Within the graphics settings, look for the graphics quality slider. Move the slider to the right to increase the quality, which will enhance textures, shadows, and overall visuals. Step 5. Save and restart. After adjusting the settings to your preference, click Apply Changes to save your new settings. It may be necessary to restart the game for the changes to take full effect. By following these steps, you can enjoy a more visually appealing experience in The Sims 4. Happy gaming!